So you not go respect them. You want me to wear you 500 slap first before your hair go correct? You want make I wear you 500 slap first before your hair go correct? You know they see all this BS where they your this thing. You want me to use slap wear and come out? You dey crazy? Now I'm more listening to SC Papilo. The SC Papilo now you are them. Now make I play your music for you. Now the music when you play for her, wait to dry your attention. I don't fucking care. I don't care. Me, as I did so, I don't fucking care. I cannot degbe, not degbe. Now me wait I don't see for this life. I don't care. Let the dead bury their dead. You understand? I don't pity people again. With the inagbaye, imam will not pity man. You understand? And see, Papilo, if you want me to not wear you 500 slap for this matter, consider. Before I be one, not let you are. Before he can call you, can't tell you say, see the complaint or see what they happen to her. You ask her, what did he do before they can begin the bully him? That way die so. I wish I get the opportunity to see dead body. The slap one go give her. Win. You understand? Now my people more could listen to SC Papilo. You understand? More go there. Who is war? And if I say play finish there. Man, near me yamo now. Man, no rough everything like this first. Oh, yeah, more listen to SC Papilo first.
CD. Pierre Obi, Yikarimu Dai. Ewa bien yuwa ebo. Otima, oteme, osime, osima, obima, no yegbe yi. O ya me we video na, wo giason, o gio imina. O mana na yegbe yi. Una do mi wati mi so no ma o lele fian. When na wani una we we so ni atale le ni o magba upo enu nu ladian nu wezinu nu ehiri runda nu ragbon ogizinu nu wune mata no we edenawu agede labewu o ma wune o ma no ma ti owo ti yen lode no ma gugun o ya we gbagun na etia o wa na ragbon o gi si eme ni no wune nda no wu se ti si eme de gbe
abi no itala the social media okay
different bloggers ya mo different rumor wa ma we mi gan egiragbon no zinu nu
uwe rao unye o
ṣùgbọ́n panu
call it a different platform
bí na mi o ma ṣe ikina o ma ṣe agi o ma ṣe ya mo apani ru yegbe ya zinu nu ehire o tawe derio ozubo winuna ona adiowa ekino na wina hospital na wina etio enigbe akeke ni ku so be wina la vira viye denosio pani awe ba be city no ye o be wina bi sin wina ni imuneva on wina recently no can wina long just to cut long story short recently imuneva on wina because imune security no ga wina obi so no ya na imuneva Ogiga wina. Let me use that word. Ogiga wina. Okay, yigbe yina. Imuna ifano wina na. No stress oma.
Mana de bisio.
Wana. Ma we wagua kuba kege because of sireno. Ona we out and even my egbe. That should be a story for another day. Minana oparo oyo to ya drop my video na boya ya ga izubo awo ya muya before ya ke izubo ni relax ya izubo ya muya denuka
where did it echo
in hospital na ya we ya wa tota But so we are here, you can walk here, walk back, our patient. Why maybe you the patient, you know how misbehave. Uti doctor. So man, we back the media. And we tell them you what to say. We not to talk about the air.
No verse. What did they echo for inside? Man, no verse. More na listening. Oh, I know where for stop. Man, no worry.
Every blessed day. When we na wani, una we we so ni atale le ni o magba. Bina mi o ma se, ikina o ma se, agi o ma se. Ya mo apani ru yegbe. On we now recently no can we now long just to cut long story short recently yes no awa to tai kon pa ugbe so me ka ma we be je na we vi hinga wo wa mami edino wa hin pa ba gbonare isiri dai Ede you're talking winari. Or many are buried in the same city. Here one is going to Tani. And I bought you in a bay. So, again, no, he said, no higher will be no higher Mumari winner. Or see any not t. Or Mamu phone. Only night the phone I took you look. Where yet your best is your Mamu phone. Only now he showed to our gui. because wa agwine wa tie e mo phone oni na woma ni to bi eti oni na to boy ti o ma mo phone oni na iti man otu because oni ring na oni na iti otu we la wo abewa o ma mo phone we ariba
oguri awowo oyi pepe
na iti otu mi wa so bo so maki otu na isi no wa ulule ona arriva ana iti landlord di extract ire landlord na do extract ona ire ana yakuru ahindukun adowai olowie o ma be lowi ogba olowi obo ona yi blanket oyagu o mu phone o mu yudawo ona mu pi
na yara he say he no sleep like this so he sleep he do like this he use bracket take cover. He carry phone, put for his front of his face. They wash saga. Off your for my cake. Wow, we never saga here. Oh yeah, let's continue.
Yeke for me, she was watching videos. Ain't we now bear? Ain't stress of bear. 2023 eyen abejuwa omi wa pani pe tu iwan ni oya gwale no ba wona ti wona we pa like won we ona wo bi dingun yin do bi kelukeri bi digun owo sanigun mo bi digun me hin me ani inerigun ani ro osaro ina wo ten won e de ma bi je idugun na gele dun wo ten mi no ri ma ya ti gboten we ni je ifi abame
One continue, right on. My second year, yeah, no.
No, Rome sagging. Here I know an if you could go to Rome sagging. So, Ojo not to learn of David step of Bagby. And plus, Iriana were or Wune
or Woodia,
the Nassau. Oh, fantasy, be like o fete vile kweso polubo mame itoa ori diga yigi wokin ariabi no mami na gbogbe ne reto age no mi o
my favorite esi papilo to first
na gboni gogo no bi lo ki abeyuwa eso we to ga mugoni bloggers ni age saga ewu o ma lo besi tolo o kan ke na ya saga ya se ayawi ko bola dia o boy o ma lo besi tolo abie yuwara ahin bloggers o pa ri wona o dele ba no orphanage o dele which any disabled in be tana we papa pilo ni na dina in here wa hospital awe mani pay mi biele no mami go ya discharge me awe mani ko mi in ya supporting ya even at your pay you are go and check their record most of them are like that
I reach I want me reach where you I want me you reach before I go talk I just let you talk
okay na ni
but it the hot
eni lari
I drink water brought the hot
sinu ogbe na no mina ogbe Vini ma wo kin bi hi o ma complain man de ni e ku BP do e ba so ro no hun eta mo no si ko yi o ma ka man de jole medicine ke Spain ma de dege o ko pa na ti go locati
go lati wa
do so woni be di ke Nigeria de vitamin K again o ma ko mo de we o no hun we o de depressed we are go because me go on phone Ima reckon you tiri hiri about the person. She's always agile.
Mona listio.
Abia you wa wune. Ije oyiragbo. A family ni ahie eyan right now.
Who cares?
Abia you is supposed to come to Nigeria a week in a here lana. Or date ticket or ballet bu you turn. Because a family name a party near here 24 and 26. Mohamed will see where do not buy because that family is like a second family to me. There's nobody in that family that doesn't know me. C'est bien no bio. MC Papillon is a popular name in that family. Et qui n'a mis au massé, à Guillaume massé. The only complaint, non va accomplir, man. Oh, social media bully. Cyber bully yang ban zeboti na. Cyber bully. Faut non va accomplir. The last time we TV, pa mami ya biso ne wudo, mami ya bitala ne wudo ni. Ya bi meme be na wa bia yuwa. La ho wo. Ya wu mebi. Wa yi Nigeria una wuri be ngari ewu. Ya be wu mebi. Ya give it Tony hewe. Abi yuwa delay.
Okay.
The Facebook we la in social media re unda e homa ene e kuria.
Okay. Now what? I don't play finish oh, it never finish. Now yeah, wash am wey trigger me. You say Abiowa, you no get high BP, good. You no get anything, good, no problem. You say wetin keep by am, you not talk wetin by am. You say wetin the only thing wey they complain be say social media bullying. Say he no get document. Una tamawe no ewe. Or he say Nigeria iya ewe or maybe number 1. Number 2. Uwe no delete Facebook. No ige. Abi my see Papilo. Before I go listen to for year go and reach the finishing. Lare. Nobody bully Abiowa. Nobody answer Abiowa. Now mama ego now with the beats adulterous woman. Now Esi Papilo Lare hear me. See wetin Abiowa talk. Uda you hear for only in maths. You not go watch Facebook when they bully my mother with my brothers. May you forget my godfather. You understand? When they bully my godmother with the children, you were not there. Una roao. Emina can bear me. Ona can you understand? He beg we beg it say, who will you more die? A Facebook venia. Understand? Oma who when I celebrate a birthday. Oma no zewu rieva. Oma no zewu we gubuga. Or you say when I celebrate a birthday. Abi, when I celebrate a birthday, you see, you people see your life. Tell me why I not go short talking and drink. When I celebrate, when Maria Kekini, Esi Papilo, when Kekina ya celebrate when you na fe, when Maria Kekini, when Maria Tokite mata don't veba no one pure work boy no see where daddy. You annoy somebody that death when I celebrate a birthday. Upega go one fake life. Now make I tell you say if I wear you 500 slap, if I wait they make a beer what dead the pay owner because wagi me goni no give you no wabi lalipo. Wagi me. Oma who your own sister now who. Oh who wana mwe parara cake the cake. When I go now let's listen. Esi Papilo Lare. Uwaya mi eregbe. Wani. Uwamana mo wani. When you have a sorry my so. I'm not crying for the death. I dey cry for my papa house. You understand it? When of the balu avegbe, e of the balu mevegbe. Oh wani masa bi owa. So balu mevegbe. Oh yeah, let's listen. Go there. Oh yeah, come listen what Abiowa talk before I come call you say, that they bully me, say I not get paper. Oh, I'm was man swear your money. Oh, I'm Esi Papilo. Where's when man is swear your money where or bully with that definitely Abiowa or Tom on a bully Oh, I'm what's when man I mention your money. Oh, tell my man we are bully bully Oh yeah, let's listen. Who are you soon, boy?
Yeah.
You don't know.
9 minutes.
So,
now, pure white the course, so a pure one. Est-ce que papa le docteur one year video now?
You want to speak on it? Butter, come.
On time,
Yes.
everyone get bank.
I'm going out there.
I'm not get bank, go on, but the Lord just wanted to go on.
We have one.
I will give you the next job in Norte. Here can I go? No, go me out, but I'm not going any game.
We have one.
No, go on, what make any cheap.
Est-ce que papa le docteur? Oh, when we never major, or we are doing said their gear. Don't know you said their gear now. Est-ce que papa do? I go me we aware, and no time if you don't know what the belada the correct boy, or if you are boy, I've been in a pure wa, okay, I'm where you talk. Who understand the man now? Who malatia don't guase, who been ya we aware. In fact, oh, well, go wake ya, there. About where I like a sagana, a bully in the pure water, oh, where me I don't bully yo. Oh, Madoladia, no don't go say, who billy out here where, or much here where we are bully, eh? Oh, Magilla do tower, get on my time where getting a do, we hear fear video gear. Here fear video gear where, era meju poke, not dog gear. Donald Ladia, on that, say, Bonera maybe Jamie. Larry. I think we bully. He got Bobby.
Yeah, who family way. Everybody have one law. Oh,
my father, wife, the church. Ainsi papilo, ou beg a bomb en entier, a bomb on a boissy papilo, a bonnet en bogwe, a wisdom, ou no weni, or go on Bessie papilo. One that says, I be a waggy ragbon and I am but both yenny, as if papilo go any or go on bear. As you gonna be a word yen one yard banning, why yard ban or go on both any. You understand the many? Now to beg a bomb, now be a waga at ye. Don't not the roulette here where we are bullying the social media. Ye or Maggie Tower, yet ye bonnet of your ravene, or Tiabono of Hane, or Maggie Tonio, or where he are bully where document. Oh, yeah, as if popular Larry go to go, Larry, at what do go, Larry. Ubege e do prisi reva o iya won no ya tie we erame o je amago saga e o according to Abiowa he no say my godfather the sagaramo he say they call am say my godfather wear the clothes way back on give am wadami o wadami o we hin go rene we no dori go no dori any go no dori any go no we regbe we na hin wa okay wo ponu we deni eni no ya who wezuo oma bulu oma you know saga yo now they may don't go with Mama Joy now they go call you say me you come see say my godfather they wear your clothes we buy for am I want nice salad we platform here Joy una so amobogbo ovie Esi papilo, udami ho? Udami ho? Uwaka gwan udami ho?
Oya, go to your room and go and sleep there.
No go and bring back any lot of the mawe. Esa da sowane kuno kwana buwa. Utewa. Utewa usabuwa ene.
Esi papilo udami ho? You say you say I don't live now. Or we who are all where there is my godfather, my godmother say he don't live there for waste. Udami ho esi papilo no go na gboe. Esi papilo udami ho me no go na gbo we be sis abia wati ebo not me. Ovier awogera me. Edo go ave gbo we be sis we ra gbo no we ra bon. Ogun gbo we esi papilo udami ho. Wo yu ya mu yere na siegbe.
Ebe we say you na go. Well, right there. Oda so no ingo no ya go wa. No. Ade wo go pe ni go wa. E go mu e. Every day by saying that one for Bene Jagume. When I play your funding, to go pay ya, to go me out back. Oh, go me out, but the Lord just will go me out back. Oh, you want to me, to go and put a enemy. You went out of the motor. Oh, I not to me. Oh, come in of India, one of your women. But no, seven man of good, go me out back. Anytime, go and go finally. And then why do somebody of cooking and brew? And then who of cooking and bread or and then put in the next one when the egg you will.
I feel I know
what people are doing. Who there who want to for never will do it?
no soon.
Well, 1 million of fire, when one young who are moving out with your papa. Wow, going out with your papa, you said we are. On our musician with your bona, never musician. When you were far, when you were coming in a far. Oh, yeah, my arrow to see when you were far out, in a far out. My name, when my hands over bed, to the mat. Oh, go me about both I need to what just do it. Everyone I tell you what tell you where. He just were so near you. And then why just never go out through it. When he said, okay, I got to do it, and you're my hand on our fun. And you're going to do our song. And take a one just go in. Oh, who know what I'm going to me? Walking out good what? Oh, who knew me out, walking out good. Walking out feel good. Your family, wow.
When my fia wuna, they could give you now. I family to a fia, we are I family wow now. Abiowa, we are Genana. Uwa on wet upon one fia woo. Yerabijao. When another way Genana is very ragbo. No hanafia woo. When I swear ragbo, when I fia woo you are. Ubega when we are fia woo. Areas as the popular of a fia woo. Ubega elegbewi don't want to give you a nana. And si popular W. After Ogi tave nonsense nane. Ye na yiri phone or we are bullying ye. Get at Ubega, I bully that. Or where I may be a weary me. Aware a jeme or say what we done met a jeme. Or where si popular who are fear we use you all. Ubega no ya time. Esi papilo udami ya una la diana de tota ya de zunu ya de zunu the only thing I complain bully we emebe ubega na gwa wu we afia wu joy esi papilo abi owo wu afia wu yera bi joa o ya segbo wa o ote o ma se 3 days ona konke na atikere na bia wona ya afia wu yija o a bird cried in the night and a child died in the morning. Don't dare. Esi papilo, wonya video na. Ono se na be pun we yo. Ni make na ya ewu wonya. Ori tell ni ma we, umagi ta we when we time I will not delete video ni. We not delete no you get Facebook. Atu bege we e don goti e don gbogbo kekebe iye joy iya ya ti e wo wa we e tera me bule e o ewu e kan no ma se 30 euro no jo e don goti na ya ti e we iye joy iya na ya ti e we no de o uponu de naira me ojo e ona saladian ona do amobogbe no ya ati ebo naira me
Danny
ona ati ebo ni je me ona bi ati ebo no bi e bai
Danny
ubere no, yes if boyfriend and girlfriend they date each other the relationship not work again yes body must pepper the person if the woman really love the man body go the pepper am anywhere where they for the talking matter here he go there good and fine but you coming out to insult his wife and his children is not acceptable. Is your mogi beggar or matia bonnet over here or total and good my godmother come out and reply Abiowa. You know if you insult my children,
yeah, on the TV.
You saw the insult. Now my mother see the video, it trigger her. My mother come out for her. Who was so? Oh, was it? Go on the TV. Yeah, go. You understand? Wanamba, if you make a reply now, wana igaso. Abia wana irele call ugwe esi papilo. Very, iya bulu le wodani. Iya we me document. Ubega gbon. Esi papilo. Udami o. Or where first way come die.
I don't want to hear that stupid noise. Yeah, come on off all this life.
The only thing we talk said that they bully her. Omagite eminieu ake de bully we e don goti ve iye joy iya ya tie ke no love ye yiwe no de o all because of their selfish interests. Ni make na ri go be ne apia we be fi go gian ubere Esi Pablo Udavia Abia we do are in Nigeria now. Esi Papilo, oh we are se Nigeria. I am a bug berame, mo bug be jeme, ya mo boy a so bovie. I dare you Abia when we are in Nigeria. Esi Papilo, all this thing we Abia what also, he tell you. Oh, tie where tamawea. Oh, where they belong. Okay, si papilo. Abio white is in Nigeria. Uteriare do ebo. Si papilo. Oh, what si papilo, what mo abio ware de ebo. Ni ya swene rave vi jeme bo vie bani. Si papilo. Oh, wa de yo. Oh, di Nigeria. utori are do ebo no ya gbere me no ya gbije me ya se gbo vie ubere na omagi je na Nigeria abiowa I dare you now get up and go to Nigeria. I dare you. But my Nigeria. Was in Nigeria, I am a bugbe. Esi papilo kaka wabo via ya fe. Why am a bugbe ya? We bagi bagbe. Esi papilo. Emi yan waya kwa. Viye kele na keke viye kijeme. Ubega wo de buwane. Esi papilo. Ubi agbe me no you ya. No you ya video ni. Ubi agbe me yo. Omagi ti we ya bully eh. Umagi not aware sister or enutie or mama. Oh, one case one blue way. Denu well, we nota. Uma nota. Uwe no ewe. Ute guanse o. Etuma guanse o. Ute wa guanse. Uwe na ige Facebook not delete. But ekena. We men be wasoji. You can never understand. You understand? When me understand you no vie e no with them but bijime we me akaka ijime do mi odo ama mi odo with them me kata mewe ye hariye. That is called hope balance. You have been spending money and I tell you say I not go marry you. I keep on spending the money so that you can marry me. And the person they tell you say, I can't marry you. Esi papilo udamio. Ya gbegbe. Ute ya. Ute ta me ebwan. We no delete Facebook. So kompa no. Igbogbo viye joy. Iya emi agwalo boy. Iya na ya tie we ojewu. E video ni uno de. Ya damio. Wa. Oh yeah, let's regard it.
When you have to go to when you have to see you have a book. You have a book. You can run out to you have a book. You have one if you walk on.
One, esi papilo. One, a big cry in the night and a child die in the morning. Oh, we are more Baba Teme, which is of ye Rami. Iya mo bog biya ya mo bog biya ne yiziabo na afa esi papilo udami o a hope to travel ya tota ura we video nu we be tota nu we be dami o ya ubega gbowa esi papilo o ma mi wi agbe me na yo we e no you we ya gun and this will sound as a lesson to all people. Uki agwan, uka yage na pure wakata uwe. We say person don't die. Enough your emeti zunu eh. No zunu ne. Oke fiawu. No zunu ne. Oke fiawu. Ugoma minu ya zunu Asi papido o bola wegbe. Iga myowe 500 tapi awi ewe. Ubere ugoma minu ya zenunu but on that platform otigbogbo tie iye joy I see you here ubego bomo not tie or it your bomo ne 3 days of it 2 days of it on afiawo esi papilo ubege we atene we are here abia we tani otavo na ne ya fefefe ona do tie me we ya bully Waladian. Ijeme. Even Waladian. We mate. I'm not expecting you people. We. Omoni mehe. Omaye liyam. Omoni me expecting ya maye ladian. You don't know anywhere. Ego no two of you wanna hear where I'm. Wagaje. Where una de? Ben of the balu what we were lost on and even bali me where beret ya in Nigeria. Now my papa asked for Lagos. Now I'm supposed to feel land. Relax before I go enter Benin because I not be that for Lagos. Now they're supposed to feel relax. Oh, where I'm able. when of the dua eri of the dima. People where they wait never come out. I don't know why you lad. Oh, I don't know why you lad. That one I saw. Oh, one he will still come outside. I see papilo. Yeah, no what up. Ne be one time where they pull off for social media. Are you hear any come where you are? I see papilo. Apuma we wa be wa yo werane. Abia wa. Oh, yo werane. Umaya. I see papilo. You know yera. Oh mamu we or magbekwa we una la da do tota ipeti we. Who were the only bully na bia waga complain where eme document. Esi papilo ogun gbo we. Va bia wa ya hin we rane. What are you wear? Ogun gbo e. When of the ban o ma ban we. O ma gu we na we birthday. Ave so no. Una celebrated birthday way. I am happy, but we are going. Gay. Anything at all, no kasana be away lily wire. That is what you wrote on your birthday. I am happy, but una be but a but in one or 12. We matter anything or 12. Next year, still there to celebrate your birthday. Next year, day to celebrate your birthday. Una celebrate, una be celebrate where that period, even the day where una celebrate birthday where. Oh yeah, regardez.
The woman feeling a woman. Every woman going to want to move your way.
You see the way you lost your life. You see how you lost your life. After you don't sell person property, you are still expecting not the baby young boy. Alpha. I never hear say your pikin don't die or be over. Now the latest news I want make a year be that one. Ya wo finya wu. Ije wu last week or when I wu week now. Only he expect now. As you not get conscience. As you not get human feelings. You go that very way. Where go pay you according to you have money. You have money. You share money around. How much my godfather eats you? Una we hin wage o ma be die. Una be lada do am bobo ye. Karma is real. You see come out. May return your clothes. We were here wage. Come on a bish. Esi papilo ya gbegbe. Unye o uro emi o kan gbe you wa bia wa I believe where abia is abia what they call you abi. But you hear and say he said my papa has. What is your reply? But we fi go nu we go wani wa be begu wa. Ubegwa.
Usanya de ko to go mi ama go bi. Ogo mi am go la gan. Ogo mi am go wa so. We no na do ko e bu mi. Mo ba ni se bo na. Ya bono ga mo e go bu. O na do ko e bu ogo na go bi o go la gan go la so. Una ke mo alo e lu ko ni so ma. Mo ya pe ko ni. Mama no when you go ya ko e Tony ogun pe o pe biye ugbe.
Jesus, God, you are so good. Who said God God no dey exist? Who say God no dey exist? Oh no, who can battle with the Lord? Who can battle with the Lord? Who can battle with the Lord? I says nobody. I said nobody. I says nobody. Una go satile ude that waiting apple to Abio waso. Come on, bish. Wayala dia. Uwe esi papilo. Abio wa wune. Almighty zununu Ah, my brother. Ozununu egbe. Owa gwake wu. Owa gwan. This video where you the list is so. He drew on 2 days of it. I be the 2 days of it on now. Yage. Yage platform ye joy. Or he wait for now on the at you where. When now on mamu wesi papilo. When na ladia. Oh yeah. Udami on there. Man not plan finish. Oh yeah. Let's go back to your own. A minuta or you made the video now. Nibe bekere. Before we go back to your video, no weta. Even me guess.
No woman or boy, one of you or walking about you because of one you're standing here when you say, I'm by what you only a fair, but one will be about not by everyone of you from going out go there or go about or go out. O ganere yo kosi o go yan ko o
go agbera me o gba ije me o gba obi e o gba was o afa o gba ota o gba wason o han ido gbugbo e ona ya gbugbo e wason well this video dey interesting ogun agbe Wagebi, evil are go back to your said that evil are. But can you cut back here now? Day.
Oh,
Evil arrow, go back to your said. Evil arrow, go back to your said. Any arrow, go back to your said. Evil arrow, go back to your said. Go back to your said. Evil arrow, go back to your said. Evil arrow. Yes, mommy, my lovely mommy. I have one page for you to read. Yevo. Me guave te Bible. Ite kwa te Bible begini. Okay. Mommy, listen to your reply to Abiowa. Exodus 40:14. Away the Lord shall fight for you. Do you hear that? Mommy, praise the Lord. And you shall hold your peace. What a lovely quote. Now I understand Bible. Now I understand Bible very well. Very interesting. Obey. Oh, what do you? Esi papilo udalio. Your sister, the fair person will not fight her. Ubege. Now my mother now hold in peace and let the Lord fight for her, fight for her and his family. Ubege. There you go. May your bola not come out from my social media. Oh yeah, Lord the door. Oh yeah, take go. Go. Obey. this topic go well. And I'm like, mother, now get this shatter. Obey, always the Lord shall fight for you. With that, not before say my godfather Mariam. Out of thousands of peoples, now let my mama, now my papa carry marry. You understand? Then my mother now holy peace and let the Lord fight the fight. Esi papilo dami wa. Eya, regardez. Don't want to googie bena. Outie vos bien, outie va son, outie va vent. Don't want to googie bena. And c'est papilo. I want you to come outside for live video. For all this talk where your sister Abio wanigi de gbe iswe ni non dotana. Now, and c'est papilo. I want me watch this video. Nou do we do tota. Nou do gwala wano gugi gbe among the two people. Atu be go gun of fear Abio wa yo tere. O han iwa ya gba mo ya gbe wa son. U be ge me no saya we nyoge. No, he was ra. U be ge me no su. Ya winu na Ogun han ya gbe ona ya gbe wa son. O ma gbe wo wie. On ma gbe rafa. On ma gbe wota. Ege na gbe ye ravie and everybody they sleep. No rescue. Ogun han gbe we yame. E rescue han ga e ga reba. Ogun han ya gbe wa son. Ogun han gbe no ya gbe wa son. Without no rescue. Agbe ya vie ne. E deri gbe agitie Abiowa. Abiowa webo. Do mama ri win na gehiane Abiowa magi pagbe atie Abiowa ma pagbe ya na beti ove ona we I ayike we de no gba Abiowa according to NC Papilo awu mama soy ogwa I love ye ona ovenia ona of your bobbin ona vie ayi na vie ona mo pilo. Ona me I dey do that thing. Ona imo pillow, oyera iwe, ona ido we we ni. Ona imo pillow da we no na age esaga. IBP na you agba ona gbe gini ba. E fo hiaja. E fo mighty time Abiowa we wa ba sesaga enu yati amblazi. Ah, e fo mata me. E fo na wa peringi 2 year o. Ona besaga ye o. E fo iga besaga ye o. Omo no nye fo. Oh yeah, o magi yore. E fo mai titi no nya. E fo mai titi otion Iwinere. Ogo ala gbe we. Ora gbo wa so. Ora gbo wa von. Obege go ora ya gbo na ya gbe wa son. Esi papilo udami ewi oge we no gu mighty gon no gu wa gon kewu ogwa o ma ese to de zona fia wu wow esi papilo oru wi ave fia wu susu gu agon udami wa now let's go back to your video erigbe ese
Expect talking on no okay abu. One la biawo eto. One la biawo eto. Roman bujeni. One la doctor yenere. Eh, kwa
hello?
I say.
I dey live oh. I dey last speaker oh.
Yeah. Go.
Inyoye. Koye.
Well, what she will, I'll bear you one now. I'll bear you one now. May I also recipes anyway, you understand?
Okay.
Oh, better bear you one night. They all go out to their one. I'm here, I know that I go now, but there's some people pass out where you go. Here, swear you know me, I swear, here I push you. Tell you, because when I want to make the water, Yala, cannot go on.
Okay.
I present that. No, I need to that way a woman, and you want to this live video. Or yes, which is all live video. Oh, thank you, go now. Yeah, that from this like I don't know where to there. Yeah, no swap, pay why you want to. Yeah, I'm going to your opinion. Yeah, when I swap, pay you what? I know where for you. I'm not telling what you go to. What am I doing for my last year? Yeah, swap, love, Yara won't done. Yeah, swap, yeah, get to one Jenna. But the one I'm last year. I'm not going to last year. Push it, nah, yeah, but we are in Jenna, but we cannot.
Oh, let's see feet.
Can you imagine? Last night, why that box for? Why that box for? Oh, for me, if I will talk out, when you go back. When I'm when I feel body, when I have very much important. When I have no work, but 3 years when I have put your money, yeah, where I see it, I don't get this, you know, that man. If I make a push, I will not tell me here or where I'm not going to it's a level, no. But when I met the Benya with me and it's from Victor. But please get Bobo. When I'm in Victor, when I wear any rock bow. See, you know, when I push a girl, not any, not pure media. And nothing I think you're I think you're talking your mouth. If you are a spot of one area, not no bushy. Everything could you imagine? Oh, I wouldn't really have. TV job for one person for that matter.
Oh, the real again, love yeah.
Okay, and job if I need to family okay. But I won't be shy when everything about what one of them going to do. I'll go out one. No, yeah, not then. 2 months later, I'm here. Wow, wow, the woman here, what I am going to say, why? I don't know, child. My sister, what you
were saying, yeah, you're going to go to your banner where you're going. That is true. But my godfather not send. My said, yes, and the Raven said, with the Maja, you go who. When you leave the woman, now my godfather leave the woman to her with her money. You understand? Maja or your Orieni Yanae. Now your baby don't pay where you magwalo. Now no one marry you. You know one marry you. Wanamu, wanago, wamiamu, wamiamugu, wamiamagamu. Don't hire me a beer wagoe. Wana white binane. White morame, white now to briganda. Wana call it go a beer, wana call it go boy. You people should bring a becky beg where a besagana yeti. Ona when you napia wana wise ye. Ubege, ona when a beer wana wise ye. With a year where a sagana. Oh, go, you trust me now. I Becky no waro, or why? Away, he met with sagana, beer where you go near. The only thing you are wow, wise ye me. A Becky where you ever fenno, you ever fenny, I with saga. A beer wa, wise ye me. Area dere. Oh, I know if they watch comment. Oh man, no verse. Comment no comment. A comment will fly with you. I don't know say comment they fly for this side though. And for here na comment not there. I get comment ba. My people, my mommy, you there here? My mommy, you there here now? I think you are getting interest for this issue now. This man, whether not TANIA. I love you as they follow this topic. You know, say if they pay you, say the way they bully the woman. Now you are interested now. Something is still coming out. Whether Tani, I don't know your name, no verse. You see, send your number. I want to call. I don't know. Wait, I send down now. Yeah. Oh, thank you, mommy. God will bless you as you send my number there. I know they see her for year. Oh. I know they see her for year. I not see any comment now every day. Everything say I they talk self. No comment. You know, I don't care. So far, me if people see my video, I never need comment. Moreover, they not they pay for Facebook. I not monetize. When they say why is that get view, but when we see the truth, we will talk am. After no yeah. See my number there, Frank Juliet. Let me write on there. Ubega when I see all the things. Ubega what you know where the ass we say if the money not rich. Ona ya gwa lo be. Ubega me ya gboku na si papilo. Udam yo you don't hear na. Na so it happen. So for you to do that video, I will give you respect. Maybe you never see the one where I be or don't do. I go saga you for only 3 days. Only 3 days. 3 days. He pay me as you they call let her pay you. What of my godfather now? What of yours? Oh, 1 euro. Mona reason now. Maybe I not pity. Waiting me don't see for life. I not the pity anybody again. I not verse. Me I don't see for life. I not the pity anybody again. You understand? I'll talk the way it be. No ya sungu. No ya sungu. Ubege. The way this woman take finyawu. I don't know why comment not there. I be want pay this my number. As they according to she, he said they don't say the house. But we talk according to she. You understand? We know, but according to she, more will talk like that. You understand? If I want to hear the real truth, my father did here now. My father will tell me say they say us, they not say us. Abi, no. Me they talk according to Abiowa. I guess sense. I know what they talk. I'm not this stupid. You understand? I know what they talk. Me they talk according to Abiowa. You understand? Guy, well now. I know what they talk. I'm not this stupid. Imakon. So let's go there. Oh yeah, and si papilo wewo no ana gbiki wa gbon. Uyi won bi ekwe yi. We dey si papilo. Oh. A video now. Si papilo, where you delete it now? Video ni me ba. Si papilo Imana mbio your video now they give forward there. Me pay man abana. Si pa wa papilo wu papi pi si papi pi on spell la die na wa where see Apollo on our de yose
Kate Oyagu or my phone or my yudawo and I'm with pillow yeke phone ni. She was watching videos. We now be stress of be 2023 year Abiowa on your panic be true in one year while no ba on you know we like you away. Or I will be digging him, do we can carry with digging or sunny go. No, we dig me, he may any in a reading, a nero or sorrow. In a area, no, mammy, and I go when I get to again on you. Agony go, no below you. Abiowa. It's over to Muguni bloggers. Ni age saga yi ewu. Oma lo besi tolo ron ke na ya saga yi ya se ya yi ko bola dia wo boy. Oma lo besi tolo e abie yuwara ahi. E bloga so pa ri wona. O dele na no orphanage. O dele which are disabled. Iye beta na we papa pilo ni na dina. Iye here wa hospital. Awe wani pay mi biele no mami go ya discharge me. Awe wani homi iye ya supporting ya. Even at Yabia, you are go and check their record. Most of them are like that.
So when me lalobo, when
any lari.
Or if you
Sino eogbe. Mina no mina eogbe. Very my way can be here. My compliment de yin you BP. Do if I saw no home a time on Osiko. O my command de the only medicine que Spain is Spain Madrid the day or who manati golokati.
On the Goloria.
No, so when we did can I get the vitamin K again?
On the no ya met
O my command de were
vitamin C.
Or no home we are depressed. We are going because we are going on phone. Ima reckon you TV here about the person. She's always agile. Na la ho. Abia you wa wune ije oyiragbon a family ni ahie eyan ye right now abia you wa is supposed to come to Nigeria a week in ahia lana or day ticket or balekpo you turn because a family ni me party ni ahia 24 and 26 where do not buy it because that family is like a second family to me. There's nobody in that family that doesn't know me. C'est me no boy. MC Papilo is a popular name in that family. Ekinami omase, agi omase. The only complaint, never a complaint man. Oh, social media bullying. Cyber bullying and cyber bully. Ofunova complain. The last time we TV, pa mami abi so ne wodo, mami abi tala no wodo ni. Ya wi memebe ina wa bia yuwa. La ho. Ya wi mebi. Wa yi Nigeria una wuri be gari e wudu. Ya abi wi mebi. Ya give it Tony hewe. Abi yuwa delete Facebook we la social media re nda e ho ma ene. Ekuria
Oteya Abe joy Igbogbo for their own selfish interest. Iyana ati no do adam e social media. Continue.
Oh pa yun yala me idan yin wo ikamero. Abe you were mad. Social media has power. Social media ati bully o wani yaru koro. Social media has reduced a president of a country from top to bottom. The bully of another complaint every blessed day. At times I will try to change the topic. Social media, she will return me back to social media matter.
Not before that them gbogbo. Iye joy abi ye go yanga ru afio. In ogbe he lose guard his life or he use his life play gamble.
If I don't work call me 60% of what she's going to tell me is social media problem. O fente vi le pozo pon lo bo ma ito o de gaje ki wo fin ari ari. No mami na go we na gaje na mi o e agboni gogo no gi lo gi o unenia ori mortuary
mortuary who go Bama for mortuary? Oh wait, who Bama Biowa for mortuary? Don't know Bama yeba. Apia peba. avec Bobo, il y a déjà payé mortuary ni. Et mortuary fait. Ah, oh, bon, ma belle, ah, moi, il y a mortuary. Awa ma bia wari mortuary. Ah, na lost room mortuary wa mo are na. E gba ma be ri o, no need. Awa gbale ye po, awa amuf yeze. Awa no mo ye mortuary wo bo la gbe. Ogun han gbe. Egbe family organ no ya mo mortuary ogun gbuwa. Abi wa ma mo gwera me ladian, wona ya mo e mortuary. Ogun do gbuwa.
Kí ló gbẹ́ ìmọ̀ ilé àlàpà ló gíkẹ́ ọmọ family ọmọ bẹ́ẹ̀ lónìí ló ń sí ni ọ̀nà àlàyé family ọ̀pá rẹ̀ àhìyẹ ló wà èyí yẹ yìí àhìyẹ ló wà èyí tí wọ́n yìí ìwé ìdòmíró wòbò ìwé ìdòmíró wà wà láhà wòwò amáròdé màrí márùndí yẹ ìmàlú àdúgbò rẹ̀ wí yẹ rí ọ wà láhà wòwò wà á mi wẹ mẹtòbí mẹ́nà kó wà gbọ́n náà ẹ̀ máa gbà wọnú ẹ̀ sí.
I know what shall this year now. Me marry say man na si papilo. E me magba wunu we. Oh de gbegbe wa de gbe ladia. E me magba wunu mo. Me pa ge me gba wunu e se ko. E me magba wunu e. Ya. Ge gba ladia. E video na lu na. Where social media bullying. Na bia wa iga bulu ko. Mi iga bulu ko ni ko. Woni mala wowo. Ije ye kiyen gbe. Ene ni George Bone. Ene ni George do Bone. E si pa plan me gun. Nye yu bi avawe o. Ni jajo de bone a ebo ya no rijo jajo ene uwe me magba wonu e pa ge me gba wonu mo
ikuni jo be na me asi wo su me do age o papilo wo wasi wo bi na ikini ba be wa me na do ba gele mi na ti ahie wala ho wo
we wona be me medu na be yare party Otun ewu we na repeti oni ma be for wa na we birthday buy that mean you are celebrating to death una are party we be je party oni ma be suwe una we dey celebrate birthday on wa wu this matter will long go
imaye zori yin ya yare
umaye za yare pa enu we ka wa for the beginning ese we yare Abia we itamu we ya bully oni eyan pa no ga ata 60 something out of 100 60 something a bully we magi no what to beg me ya no ga ata the social media ba mi gbavu igbe balo odo ma mi eki ama mi oho ona wa pagbe for nowhere ona wa de mwera mi Abi oni no balo ona ala je te bo ni jeme ti e bo no vie ti e bo na egbe o fe ba ve o vivie
Orisi kalabana yo bosi boya koko ti do yin wa ti me do yin wa ti do yin wa no wa mu kwera me ni ai wedu e boya ke ya wono na gigi ya hu e ori agbare de na gi do so re yu o ma wo na wedu o ma wo na o ma wo na o ma wo na Oma woman na wa bia yuwa oma woman na oma wona na ke oge yi oma woman na silu na wi yoba oma woman Walaho, edoni rowa, edoni risi. Walaho, oderi ni makedi. Oderi ni makedi. Ima ya fe pa wunare. Ya gwa lo duma ma gbe webo. Emiva. Awi here e wa gbon. Omo ngba to bo ba gbe wo ra gbon wa igbune. Ayiri ya tu family e mu da awi here du. Omo ngba gbe abi